This is CBS News Miami.
We are hearing from the mother of 17-year-old Dominic Ferrell, who was stabbed to death earlier this month while sleeping in a condominium at an upscale high-rise in Miami.
She's speaking out as her attorney announces plans to file a lawsuit in this case. CBS News Miami's Peter Dench spoke with her and her attorney and joins us live from that building with the story. Peter?
Well, Lauren and Naja, we can tell you that the mother's attorney plans to file a wrongful death lawsuit. They both say they have some serious questions about security here at Icon Brickell. And the mother said she is devastated.
In the early morning hours of June 8th, I lost my 17-year-old son.
Police say Christine Maron's son, Dominic Ferrell, was stabbed to death in his sleep at this condominium building.
I lost him in the most tragic and senseless way imaginable. No mother or parent should ever go through this heartbreaking loss. My family is completely shattered and broken as we grieve his loss and try to pick up the pieces.
Her son was going to be a senior at Miami Beach High School.
Dominic was so very special to us in many ways. Dominic was kind, he was thoughtful, smart, athletic. He drew people in and had the ability to connect with everyone.
Maron wants to know how her son's death could have happened.
This is a complete lack of security on the building part as well as other parties whose responsibility was to secure the premises. Protections and safeguards should have been followed and to protect him and keep him safe.
Miami police say the 26-year-old suspect, Kyrell Kill, followed a group into the elevator, went up to the 47th floor, and then ended up on the 34th floor after looking for unlocked doors and entered Ferrell's apartment.
You don't have a right to go into a private building in a lobby. You should be checked in. Who are you? What are you doing here?
Maron's attorney, Michael Haggard, says the suspect had been in the building for several hours, and Miami Fire Rescue was even called about him. But a fire rescue spokesman says he was not helped because he refused treatment and no information about him could be gathered. Haggard says he is planning to sue the owners, management, and others tied to security at the building.
I've never seen anything like this. A killer sitting in plain sight and no one does anything about it. When you are in a building that has to be secured, there is no reason this can ever happen.
Now, Miami police say the suspect, who died after either falling or jumping from a nearby building, did not actually know Ferrell. We reached out to Icon Brickell about the plans for a possible lawsuit, but so far we have not heard back. We are live in Miami. Peter Dench, CBS News Miami.